Hi.
Poa.
Nini nimekuleta huku leo?
So I've come to visit you. Kwani mtaweza tembelea demu yake?
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. I'm very sure. Ish, maybe sasa allow me to help myself kidogo tu.
Unafanya nini?
I'm just helping myself out of mind. See, you said whatever is yours is mine too.
Really? Kwani you're serious?
See, you're 2 in 1, baby. So me and you 2 in 1. Chako ni changu.
Changu. Hey.
What is this relationship for?
Sandra, yes. What are you doing, Sandra?
See, I'm helping myself. So we are helping each other in these relationships. Kwani lazima unisaidie. Mimi msaidie. See, my boyfriend at the end of the day.
Alele.
I'll find myself out.
Rudi hapo bwana. Rudisha hizo vitu cha mchezo.